Hey guys, welcome back to DelphStack. Today I'll be showing you how to change font color in Gmail. So to do this process, first thing that you will do is of course you could just simply open up any web browser into your computer and go to google.com and make sure you are signed in into an account. And now once you have done that, you could just simply go ahead and go through the Gmail over here, guys. Now, once you are here on your email, guys, you will just simply go ahead and go for the compose over here on the top left corner. And from here, as you can see, you will just simply provide the email of the person where you are going to send it to. And you can just simply provide the title or the subject. And to change the color, you can just simply select this A icon down below over here, formatting options. Click on that and you will have an option over here, text color. So you will have two options. You could either go for background color or text color. So you will have here multiple options that Google has to offer. So for example, I'm going to go for red. And from here, moving forward, my text will be red. And if it doesn't work, as you can see, you can just simply select this red text. And from here, select the text color and make it red from here. And pretty much you can do that based on what word that you want to highlight into your email. And of course, just simply compose your email over here. And pretty much that is a straightforward solution. You would go for the text color over here and should be able to change the color. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below and we will do our best to answer them all and see you in the next video.